Alright guys, it's 10:30, about 30 minutes to opening. Hey guys, it's JB here. We're at the Nike outlet factory store at Orange at the block. It just opened, so we're about 10-15 minutes away from entering. The line wasn't too bad if you got here early, and wait times right now is about 30 minutes to an hour if you got here just right after opening. I want to see what they have at this store. I know I've had luck in my previous posts, so we'll see. Alright, about 15 minutes waiting in line. We're in front of the line here. At the store. Alright guys, we're here. We got socks. This colorway. There's this cloth for $89 plus 20% off. I got the Mars 270s, PCGs, $79 plus additional discount. I have the reverse Air Max 98, $89. I have these JDIs. Air Max 1, $79.97 plus 20% off. And got the LeBron 17s, $170 plus discounts. So you have the Air Force 1, and TAAs. Size 12, $130 retail price. Alright, we're here at the Air Maxes. You have the cloth, the Nintendo 64, $198. 270s. Jordan 34s. Size 10, $129. And we have the Atmos Air Max 2, $129 plus discounts. I've seen them cheaper for like $89 with the box cover, so. Air Max 2 with Air Max Tailwinds. More Air Max Tailwinds, you guys. Air Max 720s. And then these Cortez Basic, Desert Sand, 44 plus discounts. We're to size 12, you guys. Just trying to see if there's anything that stands out. Nike Air Vapor Max 360s. It's full retail price though. That would discount. You have some Paul George PG4s. Retail price minus 30%. And you have these the Ness raunchy type. This colorway, Club Gold. $59.99, and they have a different colorway. You did find some Anthony Davis Swingman jerseys, 30% off from $110. So $110, $30. And everything else in the store is additional 20% off. So. These Air Force 1 premiums from $140 to $59 plus 20% off. With these foam sites. I'm just gonna do a quick look at the kids, you guys. These MTAAs. Hirachis, Roshis. The little one with the have a Nike Day. First, you guys have the classic Air Force One in triple white. It's $90, but additional 20% off. These are women's sizes, but you can take 1.5 off. You'll get your men's size. Yeah, this Nike Pro Club sweater. From $250, $174 plus additional 20%, plus 10%. Thank you again for joining me in another Nike vlog. We're here at the Nike factory store in Orange at the block, the outlets. But the entire store is 20% off, and if you're a Nike ID member, you have additional 10% off, running until I believe the 6th or Monday. You want to check the app for that. All right, guys, thank you again for joining me here. If you guys like what you see, please like, comment, and share. And thank you again for subscribing. And if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Until the next video, you guys.